let me explain it to you in a different way. If you have a circle here, like this, the unit circle. Remember it goes unit, it's a unit circle because the radius is what?
I don't know. The radius.
How long is the radius in a unit circle? You guys should know this.
Are you asking just him or anybody?
Anybody. How long is the radius in a unit circle?
1.
1. Right? So we'll go up, over, and over 1. This point is 1, 0. This point is 0, 1. This point is -1, 0. This point is 0, -1. Now, on this, the angle here is 0. The angle here is pi, 0 or 2 pi. What's the angle at the top?
Pi over 2.
Good, and the angle at the bottom is what?
3 pi over 2.
Excellent. So, under sine, I'm going to put sine 0, or sine 0. Sine pi over 2, sine pi, sine 3 pi over 2, sine 2 pi. Okay, so what we are doing is tracing the circle. Now, is sine the x value or the y value? The y value. So sine of 0 is 0. What is sine of pi over 2?
1.
1. What's sine of pi?
-1.
Sine of pi is over here.
0.
0. Sine of 3 pi over 2? Down here? -1. And sine of 2 pi?
Where is that?
2 pi is right here.
1.
Y value, 0. Okay, we're going to write the same thing for cosine. So cosine, since sine was the y value, cosine is what? The x value. So what's cosine over here? 1. Cosine at the top is?
0.
Cosine over here is? Cosine down here is? And cosine over here is? Okay, so now, let's look at how that got translated on our graph. Sine of 0 is 0. These are now the x values on the graph. So the x value is the angle. The y value is whatever it was equal to. So it's the trig function. Sure. So here, the x value is the angle, right? So at 0, the y value is 0. So we start at 0, 0.
Yeah, I get it.
Here, at pi over 2, so this is 0, 0, pi over 2, 1, pi, 0, 3 pi over 2, -1, 2 pi, 0. So if you look, that's what the graph ended up being. 0, 0, pi over 2, it went up to 1, pi, it went back down to 0, 3 pi over 2, it went down to -1, at 2 pi, it went back up to 0, right here. Then it keeps going because it's a cycle. Over here, these points are 0, 1, pi over 2, 0, pi, -1, 3 pi over 2, 0, and 2 pi, 1. So, started up at 1, at pi over 2, it went down to 0. At pi, it went down to -1. At 3 pi over 2, it went back up to 0. And at 2 pi, it went up to 1.